Hey legends, welcome back to the channel. Ando and Chris here. On this episode, we took a few days off work, got down to Bruny Island, stopped on the way at a couple of camp spots on the east coast, had a bit of a dive around.
We've come across some abalone, some good size banded morwong, some friendly sharks too. Let's go have a look, follow along.
So we've just made our first destination down at Little Beach on the east coast. It's a nice little camp spot there, good long drop, goes hard.
Great dunny.
Yeah.
Solid dunny. The spot's pretty secluded, it's out of the way. We were fortunate, there was no one else here when we got here. Perfect campsite. Head down, check out the swell, have a bit of a look at the water, see how good the viz is.
Yeah, sort of just assessing whether we go for a dive and then decided to get in.
A few banded morwong as soon as we hop in. Quick chat here, decided the girls aren't going to go any further. Kiddo forgot her fins, classic. Wasn't going to keep up, she was starting to get a bit cold too, so they headed back in, and when I took the opportunity to shoot off a bit deeper and go look for some lunch. A little bit of swell as you can see.
Just a couple of practice dives here in amongst the kelp. There's, the viz wasn't that great.
Couple of breathe ups, try and get the lungs working, try and settle down the heart rate a little bit for a better breath hold, scout the area. Pretty barren, not a lot going on really. So we decided to put a few more miles in, swim a bit further around the corner of the coast there.
Two big magpies that I thought maybe actually been pickers.
He's on. Fish.
Yeah.
And he's pulled his trigger. First fish of the day. Nice little banded morwong.
Not the best shot.
Nice one, bro. There's lunch. Well done.
My turn to find a fish. A few more banded morwong getting around here. Nice size. Drop down. Slowly creep up on this guy. Pull the trigger. Fucking miss.
Shanked it.
Call that a warm-up shot. Happens to everyone.
You more often than anyone.
We just don't show yours, mate, that's all. We fix all yours in post-edit.
Yeah, no comment.
Swell's still going pretty hard. On the hunt for something a little tastier, but there's bugger all around. Not a lot to see. So we come back up, we're gonna take this fish, head back in, fire up the barbecue and knock over some lunch. Crack a fresh tinny too. Put the blade right behind the gill plate and that fin there, make an incision right up to the spine, the base of the head, and then take the knife, just feel those bones, slide it straight down his back and out the tail. Open him up a little bit, keep feeling those bones all the way down till we get to the ribs. You're going to bust through those pin bones, fillet them off. Grab by the tail, slide the knife in, and keeping the blade on the skin, just slide it all the way out the back. Boom. Alright, just rub my fingers down there and feel those pin bones. Slide the knife either side, and out they pop, just like that. Nice little fillet of banded morwong, ready to grill.
One's ready. I've opted to change to a dive knife because it's actually sharper than Ando's filleting knives.
Keep this one pretty goddamn simple. Couple of fresh buns. Starting to get some heat in that grill. Bit of green shit. Bit of iceberg lettuce for some crunch. Throw on some garlic butter. Straight down with that fillet of fish. Forget to season them up a little bit. Bit of salt, bit of cracked black. And a nice squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Simple AF. But when your fish is this fresh, you don't need to do much to it, eh? Ando's got nothing. He's just here to watch the video. He's not commentating at all.
I'm bloody hungry now.
I'm pretty sure he's even forgot that we even did this.
Yeah, well,
Couple of bum nuts throw on the grill there. Touch of soy. Give a flip. Juicy. Look at that. Alright, so down. Egg down. Fish down. A bit more, because I'm hungry. Bit of wasabi Kewpie. Slap that on. Fucking yum.
Not bad for someone else's fish.
Wait, I never see you cook anything you catch.
Yeah, because you never catch any, so you got to cook mine.
Fuck, righto.
Yeah.
That's how it works. We just don't want food poisoning while we're away. Cheers, lads.
So good. What do we think, Ando?
Thought we'd mix it up for a change and get the rods out. Chris got onto a whale here.
Fucking monster. Absolute monster. Took 2 of us to drag it in. Big kelp fish. If you know, you know.
Yeah, he hooked it pretty good.
Sort of brings it close to our first night.
Typical Chris fashion, or fix up his rubber on the road because he's never prepared for a dive.
You're probably the only one that's actually prepared. You're always rocking up late. What are you talking about?
Yeah, because I've got all my gear ready.
You're
so I don't
always
have to
fucking
do
late.
it
You're
when
not
we're on
ready
the
to
road.
go.
Quick knot, quick loop. Throw some tie line around it. Cinch that off. Back on the gun. Best part about that is the bridle actually snaps on the first pull. Now, glorious day. We've got this big hike round to the point where we're going to cross over to this island. We're going to go for a dive around there. Stunning view. 2 absolute fucking specimens.
Me looking like a camel, carrying all the gear. Highly recommend diving at Diamond Island if you haven't before. One of the best dives that I've done. One of the best spots to go.
Oh, 11 leg starfish. Even though it's only got 7, it is 11 leg. Oh, good sign. There must be abalone around here somewhere.
These must have been a big hole for you to fit in.
Be surprised where I can fit.
And we're straight on here. Nice black lip for lunch.
Oh, too small. Let's put him back. See you, buddy. Till next time.
And I guess I had to show him how it was done here. Getting right in amongst it.
Remember diving 1 up, 1 down. Just in case he got stuck, I had to pull him out. Jeez, you can hold your breath for a long time, Ando. What's that, 3 abalone on one breath hold, mate?
Yeah.
Old Aquaman over here. Oh, not bad. Good
Yeah,
size.
good size.
There's a snack. Yeah, just keep them warm between your thighs. Oh no.
Yeah, touch small there.
Touch small. He's going back too.
Couple too small, some real stonkers, and it's just gonna chuck that one back. Place them nice and softly down on a rock somewhere.
Maybe next time you'll be ready. Big enough for us to come and collect. This water's glorious. It's nice and blue. Great visibility. And there is abalone everywhere. Pop them off the rock. Thanks for coming.
Nice of you to earn your rent. I guess I can't take them all.
Not fucking Pokemon, mate. It's a fat boy. We bag out pretty easily here. There's abalone absolutely everywhere and good size fish. Keep in mind your catch limits too, guys. You can't just pillage, rape the ocean. A bag limit of 10 each, and to be honest, that's more than enough. I think we probably take 5 a piece, and that's going to last us a few days. Don't be greedy. Look after the ocean. So it's there for your kids and their kids. They can get out there and enjoy it too.
Plenty of abalone everywhere. It's just a matter of getting the right side. How's that? It's almost as big as my head. Thank you. Righto. Looks like a bit of a fucking donkey to me. Hey, what do you reckon? Not bad. Good size.
We've been living in sin so long, all the fields are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day.
There's quite a few of them getting around in here. I saw at least 3. Oh, he's on again. Lovely size. Well done.
I think we've got enough abalone for the time being. So we can't actually land a fish.
Lead to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your
One more maybe. One more for the road.
roller coaster of life.
And clean miss.
Fucked up another one.
Classic.
If you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over.
Yeah, well, Chris missed it. I wasn't going to let it go.
And he collects.
Yeah.
Great shot.
Stone shot, straight through the eye. It's actually pretty good considering it was going around the back of the reef there.
There's no fight at all. Out cold. That's what you want. Put him straight out of his misery.
What a shot.
Good size banded morwong. Or as we like to call him, Nicky. And check the rules on these guys. You can't just take any size Nicky you want. They need to be, quote me on this, no bigger than 46 centimeters from the fork of the tail to the lips. It can't be under 32 centimeters.
Nice shot, well done. Nice.
If you have any doubts, get the app, Fishing Taz app. Open that up. It's got all the fish on it. Have a look and check your sizes before you go diving.
And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster. Oh, roller coaster.
Beautiful little draft board shark come cruising past. No hurry, just chilling out.
Just hanging out, having a look at the scenery. Thought that the cliffs were pretty magnificent around this area. Just the depths of them, the build up of.
That was like 3 fucking meters, mate.
If I could sack tap you, I would.
You break your fingers.
Yeah, on the
Balls
chair.
of steel, mate. Have a crack. Pop down here. Another gorgeous little banded morwong. I'd like to take 1 or 2 of these guys. They're pretty tasty fish. If you get a chance, have a taste, have a cook up. Nice, firm and flaky. Nice white flesh.
I'm not the biggest fan of them. Prefer zebrafish for sure, but Chris doesn't like zebras. He prefers Nickies. So. This was a bit of a trick shot.
There is a fish in there somewhere.
Yeah, I found a fish in there in a little cave. I could only just see its head.
Got the shot off.
Got the shot off. Took a bit of work to get it out. Couple of dives down because yeah, it seemed to take my spear into the cave a bit.
Well lodged in there.
Yeah. There you have it.
Another good size Nicky. Andy's scared of touching fish, as you can see.
Yeah, I was a little bit hesitant.
Thought it was going to get him.
Felt something touch my leg.
That was me. We call him Nicky, just due to the size of the lips. I reckon you could figure out that reference.
There's not much there. It's so clear. Yeah, so this was my haul. My bag, my haul.
Of course it was.
Yeah. No, it was a combined effort. I'll give Chris some credit. And that wraps up our Diamond Island dive.
Time to hop back in the car, punch on through to Bruny. We've got a bit of a drive now. It's going to take probably solid 4 hours. Alright, so we spent the night just off Bruny, and we're up crack of dawn. It's about 5:30 a.m. and we're heading to the boat, get on the ferry, and spend the next half hour shooting across the waters to the island.
Yeah, we spent the night at Snug in a couple of cabins. For some reason, I got the good cabin.
Fucking great cabin. And I got this bloody shoebox.
Yeah, Chris got
Couldn't scratch
chipped
me
a
dick,
bit.
mate. Couldn't scratch.
But after camping for a couple of days, I was pretty keen to have my own space. It was good.
On the island, dirt roads, winding roads, beautiful hills, gorgeous scenery. This place is virtually untouched, really. And there's a fair bit to see and do on Bruny Island, and we're going to check that out over the next couple of days.
Pretty good morning for a beer or two.
Oh,
Breakfast, for sure.
yeah. Couple of brekkie beers. Back on the road to find ourselves a spot to spend the night. We're actually going to head round to the far side of the island and find this nice little camp spot. Set up camp, get the chairs out, fold the tent over.
Fuck, we're fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smashed it. Alright, so after setting up camp, we decided to go down to the beach, which is literally meters from where we're camping. Thought it was a good time for us to clean up the catch from yesterday,
Have a little abalone shucking race.
which I think I won.
Definitely not.
Yeah, well, I had more to do.
Well, just because you cleaned 1 to my 5 and you won.
No.
Yeah.
I think that I cleaned up what I got.
So one abalone.
I don't know. I think there's video evidence that I got more than one.
You had to put more than one back here, mate. You were just catching the little ones.
Bullshit. Oh, is that my fish again?
Oh,
Oh,
what do you know? Me cleaning up your shit again. Classic.
yeah.
Every time. I have to teach you how to do it instead of you just holding the camera.
Why do it yourself when you can have a chef do it for you? A bit of an upgrade to the knife. The Kmart one didn't really do the trick. We won't show you what it took to get this shot either, because we didn't actually have a mount for Chris's mouth, so I had to mount him a little bit.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Amazing what you do with a sharp knife and someone else's fish.
So we can get some coals happening and we get the skin on.
And get the fire cranked up, and Chris will be on the tools again for dinner. Man's got to eat.
Rest up, time for a bit of coffee while we're making some coals so we can get some brisket on the go for dinner. Alright. So slap a bit of Dijon mustard on this guy. This is what's going to glue on our spices. Get it nice and basted. Bit of Harold Holt.
It's a funny
Bit of
looking
pepper.
fish.
I know. Bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna slap on a bit of smoked paprika. It's gonna be pretty tasty. Wrap them up nice and proper good. Straight into our cast iron pot. Lid on. Throw them on the coals. Burn the shit out of some chicken wings while we're waiting for this brisket to cook up. Don't worry, it was dark, you couldn't see it anyway. It just made it extra crunchy.
They actually taste pretty bloody good. I prefer them a bit crunchy.
Out of the pot into the flame. Just give this guy a little bit of a test. How tender it is. Oh yeah. Fire, baby.
They look like Anakin Skywalker on the end of it.
Looking like Anakin.
Yeah.
Episode 3. Alright, it's good to go. Slicey slice. Maybe in future we bring that smoker, sit it on for 16 hours instead of 4. Fresh little turkey bun, a bit more Dijon, and load it up. Let's fucking go. Bit of barbecue, not messing about. That's it, meat and bread. Woo. Cheers.
This guy hung out for ages with us, and then a few more of the family members started coming through, and then eventually the possums.
And then the possums pissing in me tent. What a cute little dude though, hey? Alright, good night little fella. Alright, up and at 'em, nice and early. Today we're going to do all the tourist things. Hop in the car, head off to Bruny Island Lighthouse. We're going to check out the chocolate factory, we check out the honey farm, we check out the brewery, the fromagerie, that's fancy for cheese. Get it all in today, all the tourist activities. Check out that view. Oh. No drones, so no drone shots guys, sorry. In the 1830s, Bruny Island's isolated shores became a deadly graveyard for ships, their wrecks swallowed by the treacherous waters. The lighthouse was built under dire conditions, a project that claimed lives of several workers, but the real cost was the many ships lost, including the Conviction and the Perseverance, with the death toll rising to over 150. Constructed to warn passing ships, yet forever linked to tragedy, stands as a reminder of the cost of safety in these unforgiving waters. Bruny Island's lighthouse, a beacon born from heartbreak and loss. On our way to the brewery, and there's this tree across the road, so we thought we'd be wise and maybe shift it over a bit, get it out of the way.
I definitely thought it was going to snap, but then I looked up, and it was a good 20 metres up there.
Might have to drag it all
Probably not, but
It's almost as thick as your calves, Endo.
in the end, I snapped it. Chris stood there and watched.
Pretty sure I did all the heavy
Yeah.
lifting. That's why there was no view of it, because I had to put the camera down to help him. Alright, let's go. Cheers, cunts.
I'm a little bit more sophisticated. I had to have a glass of red with my cheese. I did try the beer. I'm not a huge beer drinker.
Sits down to wee. Cheese is bloody good day. If you get a chance, recommend this spot. And then a quick stop by the chocolate factory. Buy a snack, get a little coconut rough, and we're out.
Back up the gear, hit the road. Thanks for coming.
We were meant to stay an extra day, but you can't tell, but it was raining that morning, and the wind picked up a bit.
And I got homesick and was missing his girlfriend.
Fiance.
Fiance. Congratulations, Ando.
It's about time.
His hand wasn't cutting the mustard, basically, that's what we're saying. Alright, until next time, thanks for joining us. Jump on the next episode when it drops. This is Demon's Land.
Like and subscribe.
Crip it real.
Woo! Cut.
Cut these nuts.